Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. This boat has the white hull side with stainless rub rail. A very crisp looking color combination. Powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard and has the stone interior. So we will step aboard and take a look. As you see on the swim platform, very nice boarding ladder, 12-volt charger, water sports tow point. Passing through, very easy entrance into the cockpit, battery and storage. Do have a flip-up lounger on the back. And as you can see, a very spacious cockpit. Under the starboard side, we have a removable igloo cooler. And integrated cooler under the rear seat. Plenty of storage. You can see our flip-up lounger. Very comfortable twin captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters. Moving up to the helm, we'll see we have a Fusion stereo and 4 speakers. Very nicely laid out dash with analog gauges as well as the Simrad multifunction display in the middle. Over on the port side, storage both on top and below of the passenger side dash. And very comfortable bow seating. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give us a call. This is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-218-1523, so give us a call, come on down and see this boat or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you soon.